Are you ready to experience the sharp crack of wood, the thunderous roar of chainsaws, and the terrifying sight of giant trees falling in just seconds? This video will take you to an entirely new level of timber harvesting. Don't miss it. When it comes to taking down large trees, the Stihl chainsaw is your ultimate partner. Armed with a powerful engine and razor-sharp chain, it slices through thick trunks like butter. Say hello to the Logosol Farmers M8 with Speed SOA E5, where precision meets speed in a sawmill built for farmers. This beauty slices through logs like a hot knife through butter. Ever wondered what 5 kilowatt of power feels like in action? Watch the M8 redefine easy cutting. Next is the Drum Chipper CT30, a wood chomping machine that turns logs into chips faster. With a 30-inch drum and serious horsepower, it's the ultimate shredding beast. Ready to see this machine in action? Stay tuned. With precise control and unbeatable efficiency, it peels through logs like a pro. Powered by 173 horsepower, this machine brings the forest to its knees. Oops, the tree had other plans. Even the best chainsaws can't predict gravity's wild side.
Oh my God.
Meet the Portamill PM14, a lumber-making beast. It's so compact you can take it anywhere, yet powerful enough to cut logs up to 14 inches in diameter. That's so amazing. Curious how it peels like a pro? This guy is your new best friend in veneer peeling. This crafty machine transforms logs into paper-thin masterpieces with precision and ease. With its 5-kilowatt motor, it's as powerful as it is smooth. Meet the mighty circle chainsaw where raw power meets precision. This beast chews through logs with ease, turning them into perfect planks in no time. Get ready to be amazed by its 48-inch blade and serious horsepower. Hold on tight. Witness the thrill of felling a massive tree with nothing but a chainsaw. This isn't your average lumberjack moment, it's a heart-pounding dance of danger. Curious to see how it handles those massive woods with ease? Check out this sawmill powerhouse. It takes logs from forest giants to finally cut in a blink. Precision, strength, and efficiency all wrapped up in one mean machine. Can your truck take on the challenge of slippery logs and slippery slopes? Get ready to meet the Tata 1212 TC4 X4 timber truck, the king of muddy terrains.
Kata, petace.
This is the kind of tool that turns tricky jobs into simple, satisfying work. Want to know how it makes precision cutting a breeze? With its clever design, it's a must-have for any serious woodworker. Unleash the beast with the Homelite 3100G chainsaw, featuring a hefty 6-foot bar that screams old-school muscle. This massive gear-driven marvel is like a time machine for lumberjacks, effortlessly tackling even the gnarliest of logs. Introducing the Prinoth Raptor 500. This powerhouse tackles rough terrain with ease, boasting a 500 horsepower engine and a 25-ton weight capacity. Ready to see how it conquers the wild like a lumberjack on espresso. In a remote village, a sawmill processes Sengan and mahogany wood, blending modern technology with craftsmanship. This venture transforms timber into valuable products, boosting local jobs and the economy. Thanks for watching our adventure into colossal forestry machinery. If you enjoyed it, subscribe for more amazing content. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.